In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Firefox AI bloat that can cause CPU and battery drain, so you can keep your browser running lighter and smoother. If you've noticed Firefox using more resources than it should, this quick setting change can help reduce unnecessary background activity and improve performance. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens Firefox's main menu, where you can access all of the browser's settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into Firefox's settings page, where you can adjust privacy, performance, and feature controls. Once you're in settings, look at the left-hand menu and click AI Controls. This is where Firefox stores options related to AI-powered features and enhancements. If you're trying to reduce CPU usage, save battery, or simply keep your browser more streamlined, this is the section you want to check. Now, find the toggle labeled Block AI Enhancements and turn it on. Once this setting is enabled, Firefox will block those AI enhancements from running in the background, which can help reduce unnecessary resource usage. This is especially useful if you're on a laptop and want better battery life, or if you just want a cleaner, faster browsing experience without extra features you don't need. After turning it on, you can close the settings page and continue browsing as normal. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've disabled Firefox AI bloat and taken a step toward improving performance and reducing drain on your system. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.